Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your installer integrity has been failed. So first of all, you just need to go to your search bar here, search for run, open the run app, then just type here cmd, click OK, and after that what you need to do is you just have to drag and drop whatever file that you want to fix the error of, and then you just have to type here /NCRC and just press enter, and then you just have to click yes, and as you can see your installer will be now good to go. So whatever file that you want to use and you want to install, it will just fix the error if you just put the /.ncrc command here. So just follow the step and the error will be fixed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.